Okay, hello dear friends. Here we have a few problems. So for problem 3 through 17, solve the system by augmented matrix using the program matrix row on the accompanying disk. It's too complicated. I did not learn it that way. I will show you some way and explain you how my way is done. So we will start from the simple one. Number 9. Let me copy this problem. Can you see it? Number 9. Okay. I will copy it first. 9. 3x plus 4y equal 19 and 2y plus 3z equal 8, 4x minus 5z equal 7. Let me verify a little bit. 3, 4, 2, 3, 5. Okay, so when we see there are 3 variables, x, y, and z. So whenever you solve this kind of function and equation, make sure the key rule is to reduce the variables. If you have 3 variables, you need 3 equations to solve it. If you have 2 variables, you need 2 equations. If you have 1 variable, you need only 1 equation to solve it. And we have 3 variables, and it is complicated. We need to reduce into 2 variables. So for example, here we see 2y and 4y. That's kind of easy. One way you make is you find out 1, 2, 3 from equation number 2 you get 2y equal 8 minus 3z, right? And you combine number 2, this 2y, and plug into the first equation. Goes into you do not need to write this one, okay? Goes into 1, 2. Goes into number 1. So 3x plus 4y. 4y is 2 times 2y, right? 2 times 2y equal 19. What do we get? 3x and 2y. What is 2y? Plus 2 times 8 minus 3z equal 19. Okay, we got this one and this one. So we have x and z, and y is out of our side. So 3x plus 16 minus 6z equal 19. Clean it up. 3x minus 6z equal 3. And this one we go with 4x minus 5z equal 7. What we can do, the first one times 5, the second one times 6, and then combine, and then reduce to each other. Or the first one times 4, the second one times 3, whichever way you feel more comfortable. Since I already written times 5 and times 6, I better keep with what I have promised. So 15x minus 30z equal 15. Okay? And the second one, this one we already see actually. it becomes much easier. Everyone can reduce by 3. Okay, we will do this way. So the first one becomes x minus 2z equal 1. X equal 1 plus 2z. And we plug this x back in. Do you see it? This back in. So 4x minus 5z equal 7. And x is 4 times 1 plus 2z minus 5z equal 7. 4 plus 8z minus 5z equal 7. Okay, so 3z equal 3 and z equal 1. Now we get z equal 1, z equal 1. Plug this one back into a formula, equation number 3. So 4x minus 5z, 5 times 1 equals 7. 4x equal 7 plus 5. 4x equal 12. X equal 3. So we got x is 3, z is 1, and we can plug in any of these to find y. Okay, so z is 1 because it's 1. 1 is smaller than 3. It's simpler. Try to use as much as possible a small number. So we will use this one. Goes to equation number 2. 2y plus 3z equal 8. So 2y plus 3 equal 8. 2y equal 5. Y equal 5 over 2. Okay. Now we write it down here. So finally, x equal 3, y equal 5 over 2, and z equal 1. Now we plug in this one back into our formula. So the first one, 3 times 3 plus 4 times y, 2 over 5. Let's see how much we get. Equal 9 plus 10 equal 19. Okay, the first one. Now we try the y one. 2y, the second formula, 2y plus 3z equal 8. So 2 times 5 over 2 plus 3 times 1 equal, oh no. We do not know whether this equation stands or not, right? So we are trying to prove it. So 5 plus 3, that is 8. And see, that is 8. So we are right. How can we make mistake? It's hard to make mistake. When you do it the right way, in the logical and systematic way, it is hard to make mistake. It is just hard to make mistake. I'm sorry. Okay, so we solved this problem. Thank you very much.